So, Valentine's Day is almost here, and if you're struggling to plan something special, I've got you. Hi, I'm Meghna. I'm a psychologist, and today I'm sharing 14 creative Valentine's Day date ideas for every kind of couple. Whether you're looking for something adventurous, cozy, or something unique, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in. So, let's start with some classic date ideas with a twist. Instead of dining out, cook a romantic dinner together at home. Choose a cuisine, Italian or Thai, and turn your kitchen into your date destination. And don't forget the candles. Pack a picnic basket with your favorite foods, find a scenic spot, and enjoy a quiet romantic meal in nature. Bonus points for fairy lights and a thermos of hot chocolate if it's chilly. Try baking something together, whether it's cookies or cake or even homemade chocolate covered strawberries. Sweet treats taste even better when made together. This one's my favorite. Take some time to write romantic love letters to each other and read them to each other during your date. It's intimate, nostalgic, and so meaningful. Start or end your Valentine's Day watching the sunrise or sunset together. Bring a blanket, some snacks, and just enjoy the moment together. Now let's get to the fun and adventurous ideas. Take a class or a workshop together, like pottery, painting, or even dancing. It's a fun way to connect and create memories. If you're up for the splurge, take to the skies for an unforgettable date. Imagine the views and the romance up in the clouds. If you both love the outdoors, go hiking, biking, or even ziplining together. This is a great way to bond while doing something active. Create a personalized scavenger hunt with clues that lead to meaningful places or small surprises. It's a playful way to show how much you care. Now for some out-of-the-box ideas. Set up an at-home movie theater. Choose a theme like romantic comedies or throwback classics and go all out with popcorn, fairy lights, and cozy blankets. Who doesn't love a movie marathon? Go back to the spot where it all began. Reliving your first date is not just nostalgic, but also a great way to reflect on your journey together. Spread the love by giving back. Volunteer at a shelter, donate to a cause you care about, or join a community event. Doing something meaningful together strengthens your bond. Challenge each other to a board game or video game night, if that's your scene. The winner gets to pick the next date idea or something even more fun. Sit down and dream big. Write down all the adventures and goals you want to experience together. It's a fun way to plan your future while bonding. And there you have it, 14 Valentine's Day ideas to make this year unforgettable. Which one are you planning to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with someone who might need some inspiration. Remember, Valentine's Day is all about creating moments together no matter what you do. See you next time and happy Valentine's Day.